Learn maintenance. Section 3. Dismounting of man-machine interface. We often have misunderstandings. Man-machine interface. It must be dismantled with a large diameter. If the small caliber is dismantled, will appear connector melted and damaged. That is wrong. The temperature I'm using right now, large and small caliber. Uniform temperature 500 degrees. Then, the air volume is 100. Let's take a look. What is the cause and principle of the damage? We just need to understand this. Dismounting the human-machine interface later. It's easier. Under the microscope. Dismantle the long one. And look again. How do I control the air gun? Controlling the air gun is the most important. The rest is not so important. Look carefully. Welding oil is definitely required. It is conducive to the overall heat dissipation of plastics. Make the dismantled seat more perfect. First of all, we just use small calibers. 500 degrees back and forth heating. Let the whole seat reach the temperature we want. That's it. The forceps are a little crooked. If you clip it, it is estimated that it is not easy to clip it. Just use it. Is it okay? Okay. When the seat is picked up, the first time the wind gun is leaving, do not go. What will happen? If you pick up your seat, you don't move the gun. It will burn out. It directly becomes the case of wire drawing, because the temperature we use is particularly high. So why does this happen? Because the bottom of the PCB board is covered with copper. Heat dissipation is the best. Spread the heat around. So when on top, no matter how we whistle, it will not appear wire drawing. The phenomenon of direct burning, after disconnecting from the main board, it cannot transfer its own heat. When distributed, damaged in the first place. Method of disassembling large diameter and small diameter. It's all the same. Let's get another one. The simplest metaphor is good. Remove one with a small caliber. This seat. We must consider the temperature. Once reached, take the seat and withdraw the gun as soon as possible. Do it all at once. Let's take a look at this situation. That is, regardless of the seat. Where is it? As long as the carrier can make him conduct heat, just blow. It's not easy to break. Now, this is suspended. The left part is placed on the shield case. We blow the air gun. Look carefully. I still blow inside. I'm still blowing in. And it's already damaged right here. Where there is no heat dissipation. Broken the first time is the most. So when disconnecting, be sure to pay attention to this detail. That's it. Control this detail. We can control. Don't let this seat be damaged. Then suggest learner, when dismounting the human-machine interface, don't use such a high temperature. It's a normal 385 degree pack. That's it. But only if there will be a little more steps. First, remove the interface. Take out the tin belt. Clean up the tin on it. Because of the above, it is 217 high temperature. The temperature he needs will be high. After cleaning up, to replace the solder paste directly with 199, replace with 199. How can the replacement be even? Looking for an inductor or capacitor. This capacitor can also be used. Inductance is also okay, but it needs to be a little bigger. This kind of inductance is more suitable. Remove an inductor. Inductor removed. With 199 solder paste. You can't use it too low. 150 solder paste not applicable. Be sure to use 199. Inductor to tin. He will be flatter. The capacitance is larger. It can also work. So on, go up the pad. It will be flat. Then, finish 199. What about its temperature? It's already obvious. Become 199. Then we go to install. Seat of assembly and disassembly machine, or brand new seats. That's it. And the required temperature will be much lower. Beginner advice. After 199 tin plating, dismounting, it's packed, look carefully. It's still solid here. It's melted here. And it's installed. Is the original tin 217 still strong here? We can already grab it casually on it. It's still hard here. So, newbie, when the high temperature is not well controlled, just coat it with 199 tin paste. Take advantage of this little temperature difference. Can be done. Installation and replacement of human-machine interface. Small caliber is the same. Dismantle. Once the temperature is reached, withdraw the gun as soon as possible. Take the seat again. After the gun is withdrawn, pick up the seat and put it on. After placing the seat, put the gun on it again. Be sure to put it away. Okay. And then this. Dismounting of the original tin temperature of 217. Pack up. Take a look at the soldering of the pad. Microscope magnification. Every foot. It must be very evenly tin. And there is no suspension, no deformation. What does it mean if the foot is dangling? It means the temperature is high. It deformed the seat. Or the tinning is uneven. After cleaning up, we can see tin pulp for each foot, all very full. Alright, our third section, this human interface disassembly and assembly course. There we go. Goodbye.